This is the National Weather Service in Des Moines with a web weather briefing for the upcoming potential storm here on Tuesday. What we have done is broken this into two separate areas. We have central Iowa to northwestern Iowa, locations that will likely see the most snowfall with this event. And then we have central to southeastern Iowa, where we might see a little bit less snow. However, both locations still likely to see some adverse travel impacts here as we head into our Tuesday. Tuesday morning is the time that we're really pinpointing for when the worst impacts will likely be. We'll see the heaviest snowfall during that time, and we'll start to see the winds picking up to that 20 to 30 mile an hour range. Regardless of location, blowing and drifting snow likely, roadways to become snow-covered, slippery, maybe even some impassable roads, especially towards northwestern Iowa, and the travel impacts will likely continue into early Wednesday morning as the snow becomes kind of light and fluffy. So we have separated the areas once again here. We have basically from Atlantic to Ames to Waterloo and to the northwest. People in these locations will likely be seeing snow most of the daytime Tuesday. Then we have a winter storm watch here. This includes Des Moines to Osceola. We'll likely see the heavy snow come across in the morning, a little bit of a break during the afternoon, and then we'll see more snow during the evening period, and this snow will probably be light and fluffy and blowing, which will reduce visibilities and cause blowing and drifting of snow. So we're becoming confident enough to where we can start to break this down a little bit into both location and timing for this event. So again, we have locations in the blizzard watch. This is Atlantic, Ames, Waterloo, and to the northwest. We'll likely see 1 to 3 inches of snow here from midnight to 6 a.m. Winds will be 10 to 20 miles per hour. Then during that morning time is when we'll see winds pick up, 20 to 30 mile an hour winds expected in our northwest, 15 to 25 miles per hour expected down to the central, the southeastern portions of Iowa. Regardless, that's going to reduce visibilities and we'll have some heavy snow during that time period. Then heading into the evening hours, we'll start to see the snowfall become that kind of light and fluffy snow. This goes until midnight, and we'll see winds staying strong at the 20 to 30 mile per hour range. So again, what that means is we'll see blowing snow, drifting snow, and snow falling back onto roadways. Here's an overall map of what we're expecting for snowfall totals. Again, the heavier snow here up to the north and west. Down to the southeast here, there's going to be a tight cutoff somewhere. Temperatures are right around 32 degrees, a little bit above that, so Ottumwa might see more rain than snow. The heaviest snow will again be stuck in northwestern Iowa. You can follow us on Facebook and Twitter at NWS Des Moines. Also, the 511ia.org is where you go to check road conditions before heading out. Regardless if you're near that 6-inch range or that 12-inch range, impacts will be very similar. Blowing and drifting snow likely, roadways to become snow-covered and slippery. Where we see the heavier snow, especially northwestern Iowa, where there's not as many trees, roadways could definitely become impassable and could still see snow-covered, slippery roads heading into Wednesday morning. Thank you very much, everyone. Stay safe.